Good day everyone, I am Princess Dizon, your student nurse from Our Lady of Fatima University, Pampanga campus. So now, our turn demonstration is we're gonna transfer our patient from bed to chair and chair to bed. So for the first step, we're gonna do the hand hygiene. Next, we will provide privacy to the patient and we will identify the patient. Ma'am, can you say your name and your birthday?
I'm Jamaica Andan and my birthday is February 1, 2006.
And we will check the wristband of the patient and tama pong patient ang ginagawa po natin ng transferring. So, first, we will iupo po natin yung patient natin. Remove ko lang po ito. So, nakasis ko po kayo sa likod. In count of 3 po. 1, 2, 3. Then, we will wait 3 to 5 minutes para maging stable po yung feeling ng pasyente. So, after 5 minutes po, doon na po natin ililipat from bed to chair ng patient. So, ma'am, in count of 3 po. 1, 2, 3. After po malipat sa chair ng patient, we will secure the feet, the arms, and the back po ng patient natin. Then, after the transferring to chair, we will remove our gloves and do hand hygiene. So now we will do the vice versa. We will transfer the patient from chair to bed. But first, we will gonna do the hand washing, hand hygiene. And gloves. Now I will transfer the patient. Ma'am, you put your hand here. And in count of 3. 1, 2, 3. So, we will wait again for 3 to 5 minutes. So, after 5 minutes, let's put the patient to a comfortable position. So, ma'am, in count of 3. 1, 2, 3. And we will put the blanket. And after that, we will remove the gloves. And alcohol. And that's for our transferring our patient from bed to chair and chair to bed.